If you don't believe in the science of man-made climate change, you might as well not believe in gravity. 2016 was the hottest year in recorded history. July was the hottest month in recorded history. This is an urgent threat to life on Earth as we know it. That is why Fisher and I set out to make a film that educates and inspires people to take action. It is an issue that has been willfully ignored and disputed for the sake of corporate profits, political capital, and short-term personal gains.
We have the opportunity to prevent a comedy from turning into a tragedy. Vote for Hillary Tuesday.